Now, so many people have a hard time converting their cryptocurrency to Naira or converting their dollar USDT to Naira. In this video, I'm going to show you how to successfully use your P2P on Bybit specifically. Now, Binance stopped offering P2P to Nigerians after a whole lot of hassle back then. Okay, this is not a video about that, but on Binance, we can't do P2P technically for Nigerians right now. So now, Bybit offers a good P2P platform, even though their customer care can be somewhat slow, but this is currently for me a better option when it comes to P2P. Now, Bitget also offers some good P2P, but right now Bitget has started charging, like for you to perform any P2P transaction on Bitget. Right now, you need to pay fee. Let me go through some transaction that I've done right here. We're going to look through it and see some fees that I've probably paid. So you could see here, Bitget has started charging fee. You could see a fee of $1.35, and if you convert this to your Naira, you see that this is a good amount of money. At least this can get you data or recharge card. But Bybit is not charging that fee at the moment. So now this is how to successfully sell your Naira, your USD to Naira without being scammed on Bybit. So when you get to your Bybit account, ensure that you've moved the USD to your funding account just this way. So you could see here we have our USD in our funding account right here. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on deposit. When you click on deposit, you can see P2P trading, 0 fees right there. Click on it. So now we've clicked on P2P trading, 0 fee. So here acknowledge, yeah. Then here the next thing is you click on sell, because we want to sell USDT. So now when you click on sell, now the next thing is you put your amount in a close range perspective. Now here I'm going to click on that amount, this amount section right here. That's where you click. Then here, since I'm selling about $100, so I'm going to choose like about, let's say 150,000. So I could choose 130,000 or something. Yeah, just something close, so that amount within that range will come up. All right. So because most of these people here offers, there's a minimum. This is the minimum this person can sell. This is the maximum he can sell. This is the minimum you can sell. This is the maximum. You understand that right now. Now, when you on this, when you do this, you will see some ads displayed right here. But you are always, it always shows that you are not eligible. So now you have to filter that, this show only eligible ads, and it will filter that out. Now this is very important. This I'm about to show you right now is very important. This is how you further filter your ads down, so that you don't get in contact with some of these scammers. Now I do transact with people that have more than 1,000 orders, and with about 99% rating, or within from 96% to 100% rating, with over 1,000 orders. Those are the kind of people I transact with. So you can see this person with 300 orders but has 99 rating. I'm not going to transact with him, even though it's 99. Okay, this person, even this person that has 1,700 orders with 93% rating, I'm not going to transact with that person. But you see this guy here with over 3,000 orders with 98%. Yeah, that's someone I can work with. Now if you scroll down to, you will see another person here that has about over 1,865 orders but with 94% rating. So I'm not going to work with that person. All right, so you could see another person here. This is 98% rating but with just 900. So I'm not going to work with that person. So let's go back to the top. So who do you think I'm going to likely work with right here? You could see someone here. This person here has done 195 orders with 100% rating. I'm not going to work with either of them. So now you could see the ad, even though they are offering good mouth watering rates. So I'm going to work with this person that has, see, I have to scan. See, I've refreshed the ads, so I have to scan through the top. I'm going to miss the first, second, third, fourth, even this one, the fourth person is 95% rating. So I'm going to go with this person that has huge amount of orders, that is 3,000 orders with 98% rating. Then I'll click on that person. Then I'll click on all because I'm going to sell all. So I'll click on sell. And boom. Now when you click on sell, the next thing is you click on the contact button to see the message. Yeah, they always display a message. Okay, no phone number, no payment. Okay, all those things, they always want valid phone number. So I'm going to drop my phone number right here. So I've just put my phone number there for this person. So there are further instruction. I don't cancel trade. It affects my completion rate. If you know you are not releasing trade, please don't place a trade. If you know you are not releasing or giving number, leave a positive feedback. Yeah, all these people that delivers really good and fast, I always leave a good positive rating on them. 5%, I mean 100% positive rating on them. Okay, so now we're going to await this person payment. Once this payment is received, I'll get a notification. Okay, he has clicked that he has paid. You see, in less than, I've not even paused this video, in less than 1 minute this person has paid. Okay, so you could see the amount right there on my Kuda account. So I have to log into my Kuda to confirm this amount is actually there. Most times I do just transfer some out of the Kuda account. So you could see, now you see the reason why I go for those kind of ads with positive, high rating, large amount of orders. They mean business. They are doing this as a business. They don't waste time. They don't waste your time, and they don't have any intention to scam you. All right, so now let's click on release. Yes, I've received payment. Yes, confirm, acknowledge, and I'll put in my Google Authenticator. So I'm gonna go check Google Authenticator. So click here, get that, or Bybit. I'll just tap on it, paste it. Boom, this ad has been released. So one thing that you want to do is to give this person a good positive rating, good rate, fast response, polite, patient, reliable. Okay, so I'm just leaving all of that. Boom. So now I've given this person positive rating so that others can find this kind of ads, this person again in the future. So now that's how to successfully sell your USDT, your crypto USDT directly into your Naira account. I hope this video was helpful to you. This also, if you're not in Nigeria or you're not in Nigeria, this also is applicable to other countries. So if you're in let's say USA or any other country that support this particular exchange, you could do same. All right, thank you for watching.